Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the US Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usbank.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official US Bank website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the login portal, in case you have forgotten your password, click on Get Login Help. You will now be taken into the Login Help section. Now, if you don't know your user ID as well, you can tap on I don't know my username. Otherwise, type in your username or your personal ID and then tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security and then click on Continue. After you click on the Continue button, you will be asked to check your inbox or your phone SMS to find the verification code, which will allow you to reset your password. So check your inbox or your SMS and enter the verification code that you see within. After entering the code and tapping on the next button, you will be allowed to create your new password for your account. So type in your desired new password and click on the reset button, and now your password will be reset successfully. And once your password has been reset, you can use your new password along with your original email address or username in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the US Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.